So here is Boddle app. You can see it in here, and you just need to create an account. You can just sign in with your Apple ID basically. And yeah, when you just sign in here, you just then need to add your child, which again you can sign in with another Apple ID, or add like a kid with additional email and passport. So this is just how you start setting it up. And then yeah, you can just go to their website and add your kid from either from the website or from the app. So here is when you added a kid, here is how it can look like. You can see the overview. And then yeah, you can just have these different accounts. And then how the app works is just works that you just tap on the kit, and then you have really nice onboarding. And this is a great app for a kid to learn math and to learn science, and it is done in a very interactive way. So there are a lot of quizzes. It looks like a video game or a cartoon, but in fact your kid is entertained, and you're actually learning a lot of cool concepts. So yeah, everything is super entertaining, and you can just go from there. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. And yeah, so for example, how many dots are there? So this is the simplest question, but you just start, you can see how the quiz might look like, and then you just need to answer it and move to the another, and then the questions become harder and harder. And then there are also like different characters in here, then there are battles, there are different modes. So quite a cool app if you wanna improve your kids like math abilities, STEM sciences. So you can then just use this kind of app for that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, try it out.